Hello guys, this is Tutor Mark once more. So I'd like to continue with 2013. Like I promised in my previous video that I'll be going in descending order. So I started from 2025 going down. Yes. So if you haven't watched 2025, just search. You can either search on YouTube or Facebook to pop up. Okay, so thank you so much for those of you guys who are following me on TikTok. We're almost reaching 1K. We're almost there. Yes, so don't comment to, don't forget to tell your friends about Tutor Mark. Okay, so continue liking, and sharing the video. Okay, so on YouTube, I can see subscribers. The subscribers are increasing. Okay, so keep it up, keep it up. So until we reach 1990, like I promised, we'll answer all past papers. Okay, especially paper 2. Remember, English paper 2 carries 60 marks. Okay, so very easy to get a distinction. All right. Okay, so we continue. So this is transformations, rewrites. This is the part that most of the grade 12s are scared of. I remember at the time I was in grade 12 also, yes, at Kabundi. Yes, a lot of people used to get scared of transformations. Yes, my friends, my ex-classmates who are watching this video can attest to this. Okay, so let's go, let's answer. So just pick randomly some questions because each question comes from a certain topic, like I promised. So I'll just be picking randomly and then I explain a bit about the topic each question is coming from. Okay, so remember all transformations have rules we follow when answering. So look at 10. You are coming with us. So we're supposed to add a question tag. Yes, we're supposed to add a question tag. So remember a question tag, I've made a video. Yes, it's on YouTube. You can look it up. So a question tag is just an interrogative statement. Yes, or rather it's just a questioning statement. It is added at the end of a statement and always carries a question mark. Okay, so examples of question tags we have: do I, doesn't he, okay, yes, etc., etc. Now you know what I'm talking about. So what are the rules we follow in adding a question tag to a statement, to a sentence? Okay, so we are supposed to see the verb that is used, the auxiliary verb that is used, rather the helping verb. So in this case, they've used a plural helping verb, which is are. Okay, so it is the one we get here. Okay, so we're going to put it. So there's a dash here. So we say okay. So here there is a dash, but remember question tag is found at the end of the statement. So if they haven't put a dash here, in most cases I've seen a certain question on will answer it. So it's in a past paper. They just say rewrite a statement and add the question tag at the end. So we're supposed to rewrite everything, then comma, then add the question tag, then question mark at the end. I hope that's clear. Yes, but for now, I'll just draw my line here. No wonder I've started with the calculator there because I'm just writing it independently. Writing it independently. So okay, so the next thing that you have to consider when you write your verb there, your auxiliary verb, your helping verb, is ask yourself, is this statement positive or negative? So this statement is positive, okay? Positive meaning it is lacking a not, it is not having a not. So we're supposed to add it to this interrogative statement. Okay, a short form, a contract. Okay, so this is a short form of not, aren't. So and then you go back to this pronoun. Okay, this pronoun. If they've used a noun like we say muiche, he. So it's to use, what is the pronoun that replaces muiche? He. So we say he. But in this case, they just used straight the pronoun you like that. So we say aren't you? Okay. And don't forget to add your question mark at the end. So without the question mark, it will not be complete. So it's either they will give you half mark or they will mark it wrong. So it depends on the teacher that is marking your paper. But Please guys, just be safe. Okay, so just be safe. Add the question mark there. Okay, so remember it's 1 mark. When you get this question correct, it's 1 mark. So look at number 6. Look at number 6. Okay, so I won't say much on question tags because some questions they differ. So like here, they can also use there, which is an adverb of place. But I'll show you how to answer that one. Okay, we're still doing more. We're still answering more questions, so don't worry. Okay, so an example I can give here, you say there are a lot of snakes in the bush. So the answer is aren't there, the same there for place. Okay, yes, that's what we follow. All right, so let's go to question 6. Both Peter and John are intelligent. So when using neither, remember both is going to disappear and will change to no. Neither goes with no, guys. You have to remember that. Neither, no. Okay? Neither, no. So we say neither John, no Peter. Or we can say neither Peter nor John. Here we change to it singular. This is a plural. This singular is what is the opposite of intelligent? Is thou. If you don't want to use thou, you can say is not intelligent. Is not intelligent. Okay, guys, it's as simple as drinking water. So as you can see, neither means none. None. Okay? No wonder I've used not here in order not to change the meaning. Okay? That is what has happened here. For those of you guys who are not clear here, I'm sure some of you are asking yourself this question. Okay? Alright, let's go to question 1. Remember, I'm picking randomly. No wonder you've seen I started from 10, 6, 1. It's a random selection. Okay, so look at number 1. Pupils should not be allowed free access to the staff room on any account. Okay, so when you see such a question, guys, remember I've made a video recently. I made a video, if not last week. So it said I always put the date on my videos. So you are going to set prepositional phrases. Prepositional phrases. You see where I was using. I was showing you how to use prepositional phrases. Remember prepositions, there are 3 types of prepositions. Simple preposition, compound preposition, and also phrasal prepositions or prepositional phrases. Okay, so there I explained how we use prepositions. An example I gave was, I gave a couple of examples, said in accordance with, okay, so etc. etc. So look at this one. They started with the preposition on. On, so they want you to end with staff room. So we just simply say on. Remember, don't use any. Don't be tempted to use any, okay? So we say on no account. The auxiliary verb, the use is should pupils be allowed free access to the staff room? It's as simple as drinking water. So guys, have you seen what has happened here? This no, I've not used this not. Why? Because of this no. They are both negative. Okay? Simple as drinking water. So guys, don't forget to like and share and tell your friends about TutorMark. So for those of you guys watching me on TikTok, continue, just like the video, and if you haven't followed me, follow. Okay, TutorMark. The future is bright. For my grade 12s, I wish you all the best. November, I'm hoping to see a distinction from you. Okay, yes. So if you have questions, just write on below the comment section there. If you want to register for online tuitions, my number is on the screen at an affordable fee. It's not free. Don't call if you are not interested. So only those people need online sessions. But if you can't afford just simply follow the videos. But you are free to comment. You can comment and ask questions on below the comment section. I'll respond to you. So for all the questions that I've skipped on this part, those of you guys who are already under my class, just do it. I'll mark it as homework. You can do it, then send it via my WhatsApp number, yes. Okay, and then for those of you guys who haven't subscribed yet on YouTube, please do so. Yes, if you're watching me on Facebook, like and share, and please don't forget to tell your friends about Tutor Mark. The future is great. For my Form 1 and 2, I wish you all the best. Keep following. Keep following. Alright. So thank you so much for now. Watch out for the next video where we'll be answering 2012. Thank you.